there. So, pwede pa yan. Kahit layering na yan dyan, pwede ka pa rin mag-layering dito sa taas. O, diba? Ang ganda. Guys. You know, kasi wearing jewelry, wearing jewelries is, I don't know. There's no really rules on it. Ang ganda. Ganda niya. Baba ng energy ko kasi puputol-putol ang tulog ng kapitana. California dreaming about you. Hi guys, welcome back to my documentaries. So you there. So for today we have another unboxing video to do. And without any further ado, let's get the package. Ito na siya guys. Ayan. So actually, ang bilis niyang dumating. I ordered this Wednesday tapos din-deliver nila ng Saturday. Tapos nakuha ko na rin siya ng Monday. Kaso since nasa galaan ata ako noon or I was out, the courier or LBC needs to get back on Tuesday. Tapos Tuesday ko pa siya nakuha from them. Ayun. So I already know kung ano to since ako nga yung bumili. I would just like to show you guys. Ayun. 'Di ba sabi ko doon sa Christmas yung pa-Christmas ko sa sarili ko, yung last na yun. Sinabi ko ba last na yun? Pero hindi, may sumunod pa. Ito pa. So, unbox na natin, guys. Ayan. Ding! Ayan. And another note from the seller. Thank you. And I'm becoming an expert in opening the packages from LBC already. I don't know why. Noong una, mamalag-malag pa ako eh. So here it is, guys. Another box, a yellow box. And oh my god, I love it. So this is it. Mamaya na yung item. So ito muna. So there. Rings. Dalawang rings na naman ang binili ni Kapitiana. Kasi nga, just like when I was doing my jewelry collection, I noticed na ang daming doon sa box ko, ang daming partitions or ang daming lalagyan for the rings. Tapos ang unti ng rings ko. So, kailangan ko bumili ng maraming rings. So, ito na yung binabili kong ring, guys. Ay, rings pala. Ito na. Ayan na siya, guys. Ayan. So, kung makikita nyo, if you have seen it, or this rings, okay, ito na. Ito na sila, guys. Ayan na. Ayaw mag-focus. Ayan. Another VCA ring, and then one Cartier love ring. So, these are not the real thing, guys. These are just the inspired. But, okay, that's so cute. That's so amazing. The love ring or the inspired ring has serial number. Ayan, may serial number. And this one, hindi ko masyadong makita. Nakalagay lang ay VCA, Van Cleef & Arpels. Ayan. So, I'm showing here that the VCA is 3.09 grams and the Cartier ring is 2.38 grams. So there. I love it. Yan. So I'm planning to wear the rings as this one. Ah, ang ganda. Ang ganda, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, ang ganda na naman niya. Oh, para masyadong malapit. Ang ganda. Guys, oh my god. Niya, promise. This VCA ring is just 9. I hope mas malaki pa siya so that I can wear it. Try ko, hindi na hindi matanggal. Ouch. Ayan. Kasi ito 10. 10 si Cartier, so I can wear the Cartier here Though ito, my middle finger and my index finger, yung ring size talaga nila is 10.5. But, kung pipilitin, kasya na yung 10. Ayun. Let's see kung kasya siya dito. Ay, pwede rin pala siya dito. Ayun. Ayun. So, other than the unboxing that we have done, I'm going to give you a little tips on how you do layering of your gold or of your jewelry sa rings. Ayan. And with that being said, kailangan natin ilabas lahat ng ating mga rings in 3, 2, 1. There you go, guys. These are the collections or my current collections of rings. Medyo konti pa rin siya. Let me take a video here. So these are the rings. We have our love rings inspired here. The magic ring / bangle, the nail ring, Bulgari ring, the couple ring, and the 2 VCA rings. And I'm currently wearing my dainty infinity ring. And I actually borrowed the rings of my sister as well so that we can do a better layering. So I'll show it to you guys, okay? Well, first up, if you are layering some jewelries, there's no actually rules on that. It just so happened that it really needs to look presentable. And second for me, syempre dapat comfortable din kayo. Kasi, you know, kapag you're wearing a lot of jewelries and then hindi naman kayo comfortable, you're just, you know, flaunting it for the sake of, you know, people seeing you wearing that and you're not enjoying it. Parang, it's a big no for me. It's a big no for me. So, ayun. Basta, if you guys are comfortable and you like what you see in the mirror or what you see in your hands, on your neck, or wherever you put your jewelries, that's a good thing, okay? And you need to stick to that because that will be your fashion statement. Okay. So, ngayon, saan ba tayo magsisimula? So, ang usual ko kasing ginagawa when I still have my Bulgari and the VCA, ganito. So, si VCA muna, and then, saka ko papatungan ni Bulgari. Ayan, yung first layering kong ginagawa sa ring. And now, since I already have my love ring and my another gold na VCA, I can wear it like this. So, si VCA muna and then the gold ring. Or the love ring. Yan, there you go. So, these are the first layering techniques that I can show you guys. Ayan. Comment down lang kayo kung nagustuhan nyo. Agad-agad. Or, kung ano man, or if you want, mas gusto nyo na una si love ring, tapos sunod si VCA, whichever makes your boat float. So, yun. Hindi siya masyado maganda. Mas magandang una si VCA kaysa kay love ring. Tapos nga pala guys, ito ang pinaka gustong-gusto ko mangyari. Stacking. Since these rings from VCA are stackable, kulang pa talaga ako ng rose gold guys. Sana dumating na yung rose gold and I'm still coordinating with Gold District PH. I'll just flash it on the screen. I'm still coordinating with them. And how I wish na mabilis stock natin for the rose gold. So there. Since 9.5 lang yung size niya, so ganito, i-stock natin siya ng ganyan. Ay, ang ganda! Sobrang ganda. Tapos meron pang isang rose gold dito, no? Ang ganda talaga niya, guys. Sobrang ganda. Ayan. Tapos, we can stock this as well. Oh my God, sikip na. Bakit gano'n? 9.5 naman to, diba? Hindi ko kasi ginagamit. So, yung couple ring, and then, ay, sumikip. Para pumutok yung daliri ko. Ayan, ang pangit. Putok sa daliri. Ayun, ang pangit niya. So, I'm actually going to do my... When I did my jewelry collection I already figured out kung ano magiging look ko or looks ko for Christmas or New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve to be specific. Kasi sa New Year's Eve talaga doon kami nagsusuot ng mga jewelries. Lala, para maganda lang yung pasok. Parang may hepatitis ka na, pasok pa lang ng taon. So, for the following months of the year, hindi ka na mag-expect na magkaka-hepatitis ka pa kasi meron ka ng hepatitis starting January 1st. Ayan. So, there. Ganda talaga nitong magic na to. Kaso, hindi ko talaga siya pwedeng isuot sa public places. And this one. Ang pangit, masyadong as you can see guys, masyado na siyang loud. Masyadong loud kasi to. Tapos, okay na to nakastack. Tanggalin na natin to. Ayan. I guess this one is already acceptable on my end. But, you know, yung nakikita ko mga jewelry collector or even yung jewelry vloggers, si Madam Diggs, what she's doing is nagle-layering pa rin siya. So, I asked my sister for her dainty na mga rings. I have it here. Yan, yung mga dainty rings niya. I still have it here. Actually, nasa akin yung mismo jewelry set niya. Kinuha ko lahat. Ang gaganda, te. Ay, ang ganda rin ito. Ayan. Ayan. So, what I'm seeing there is may ring siya dito sa base ng finger and then may ring dito sa upper part ng finger. I can say na there's no actually rule if you're going to do that as well. Kung may layering dito or single ring alone. But, ang na-notice ko lang, if kung meron kang dainty dito sa base ng finger, dapat yung nasa ibabaw mo na ring ay dainty din. Just like this. Yan. Pangit pala nito kasi may diamond. Or kunwari, plain na lang siya. Yan. Yan. Dapat dainty rin siya, guys. Kasi kapag nilagay nyo yung makapal na ring, for example, dainty yung nasa baba nyo, tapos nilagay nyo na makapal na ring. Para sa akin, it's nakaka-off. Masyadong off siya. Hindi siya masyadong okay tingnan. But, if you started your fashion statement with, you know, makapal na ring and then sinundan nyo ng another makapal na ring, for me, it's okay. For me, it's okay. There. Yan. Actually, maganda tong ring ni ating ito. Yan. It says love. It says love. Yan. Tapos may heart. So, maganda siya. Gusto ko rin siya. Sana ibigay niyo na lang to sa akin. Charet. Ayan, maganda siya. But, ang sa akin lang talaga, kung kapag dainty dito sa baba, dapat dito dainty din. Kasi ang pangit ng dainty dito tapos makapal dito sa taas. It's nakaka-off. Ayan, so, let's do the layering na sa ganito na lang, sa index. Tapos, may ganyan ka. And, pwede ka mag-dainty sa ibabaw. Ayan. Actually, it's better looking than, you know, dainty dito, tapos makapal dito. Since dainty yan, pwede mo pa siyang dalawahin, di ba? Ay, ang ganda. Chanel pala to. Chanel pala to, te. Chanel. Ganda. Tapos, diamond. Sana meron din ako yung diamond tester ni Madam Diggs para matest ko kung tunay na diamond yan. Ang pangit, maluwag na pala siya. Ayan. Actually, hindi ako naglalagay ng ring dito kasi akala ko mabilis siya matanggal. Pero as you can see, if you guys will try it for yourselves, makikita nyo, may naglalak pala. Kagaya din ng paglalagay ng ring dito, naglalak din siya. Ayan. So, pag ganyan lang, yung isang lang siyang yan, nakalak na siyang ganyan. So, let's try this as well. Yung layering ko, layering na siya dito. Tapos, maglalagay pa tayo ng dainty ring sa ibabaw. Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda, guys. Ayan. Masyado ako madaming ring lights. I have 2 ring lights already. So, masyado siya maliwanag. Pero maganda siya. Tanggalin natin ito. Tapos, for example, plain lang siya. Okay din. Kunwari plain na lang yan. Ganda. Maganda ang plain. Kasi may pa-diamond pa si ate. Nagmamaasim din minsan eh. Oh, ganda guys. Oh. Ay, maganda siya. Ano pa bang layering pwede natin gawin? So, this one, let's try this in the... Ayan. Ay, ang ganda nito. Ito sinasabi ko, kapag makapal to, dapat makapal din yun. Pwede makapal din yun nandito sa taas. Pero kung dainty to, wag nang magmamakapal dito. Ay, ang ganda nito. Ay, ang ganda. Wow, that's beautiful. Tapos, pwedeng dito, ayan. Walang ring dito. Pwede rin walang ring dito, pero may ring dito. There. Or wag yan, wag yan. This one. Kasi na-try ko na to. Ang ganda talaga nito. Oh, I don't know if this is customized or she bought it like this from the other country. There. And syempre, magmamaasim tayo. Ayan! Pak! Okay na yung layering natin. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda. Diyos ko. Lihin ko na lang kaya to sa kanya tsaka ito. Ang ganda. In fairness. Ayan. Tapos sa ilalim, nandun yung diamond. So, pag nanampal ka, pa! Guhit ang diamond. Ang ganda niya, guys. Ayan. So, there. Again, there's no rule in layering or, having fashion statements in wearing jewelries. It just happened that it needs to look good and you need to be comfortable wearing that or wearing your fashion statement, okay? So there, I hope that may natutunan kayo kahit papano. Pero ang ganda din layering nito. Try natin ang love ring tsaka yung white gold na VCA. Ang ganda din, te. Ang ganda din. Pero try natin to. Stacking tayo ng VCA, tapos love ring, and then VCA as well. Ay, ang ganda! Guys, ang ganda. Wait, I'll take a video. Ay, nakakatuwa siya, guys. Ang ganda. Look, oh. Si love ring, tapos VCA. Ang ganda niya. Tapos si Vulgari, tapos dainty lang na ganyan. And then, maasim. Si nail ring, and then makapal na to. Kung ano mang ring yan. Tumiata na koko ko. And si magic bangle. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Promise, ang ganda ng stacking nito. Ay, buti meron ako nito. So, ito na lang susuotin ko. Ang ganda talaga. Tapos ito din. Oh my. Wait. Let me try one more thing. May na-try pa akong isa. Since hindi naman kasi akin lahat to. I'll try to. Pangit. Hindi siya maganda. Hindi magandang si nail ring. Ay, nakapangibabaw lang sa taas. Unless, hindi rin. Mas okay tong flat. Ayan. So, okay itong flat. Ayan. But I guess I will not borrow, jewelry when preparing or wearing the jewelries on New Year's Eve. Kasi baka mawala. Magbabayad pa ako. No. So, I'll stick with what I have. So, kung mawala man or what not, ma-damage, at least akin lang siya, diba? It's all mine. So there, I hope you guys learned something with me unboxing and at the same time giving you some tips on how you layer your jewelries. So there. Pwede pa yan. Kahit layering na yan dyan, pwede ka pa rin mag-layering dito sa taas. O diba? Ang ganda. Guys. You know, kasi wearing jewelries is, I don't know. There's no really rules on it. Ang ganda. Ganda niya. Ganda. Ganda. Promise, ang ganda niya. I guess bibili ako ng mga dainty rings na ganito, pang stock lang sa taas. Diyos ko po. Nagkakagastos na naman. Pero go lang kung ikakahappy ko naman, 'di ba? Ang ganda talaga, guys. Gandong ring lang. So I recommend that you guys buy a ring that's plain na ganito lang, na dainty lang. Kung gusto niyo mag-stock or bukod sa stock, mag-layering na ganyan. Ang ganda, oh. Maganda rin pala yung nagsuswirl na gano'n na ring. I think this is size 5. Size 5 or 5.5. Ganun lang yung daliri ni ate. Ayun lang. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you on my next vlog. Mwah!